L'Oréal Paris Skincare Revitalift Anti-Aging Night Cream. Face Moisturizer with Pro-Retinol and Centella Asiatica, paraben-free, non-comedogenic, suitable for sensitive skin, 1.7 ounces. Revitalift Anti-Aging Night Cream strengthens and repairs skin barrier to help resist visible lines, loss of firmness and other aging signs. A weakened skin barrier can accentuate. Rich, non-greasy moisturizer helps resist signs of aging for soft, supple skin, delivers powerful wrinkle-fighting Pro-Retinol and Centella Asiatica, also known as tiger grass, a Chinese herb, to skin's moisture barrier. This face moisturizer was dermatologist tested, is suitable for sensitive skin, paraben-free, colorant and dye-free, non-comedogenic, allergy tested. Smoother, firmer skin in 4 weeks. Immediately skin looks softer and more supple, and skin is hydrated for 24 hours. Overnight, skin feels softer and more supple, skin is hydrated for 24 hours. In 1 week, skin feels fresher, looks improved overall. In 4 weeks, skin feels firmer, more elastic, and skin looks smoother with fewer wrinkles.